Samsung continues to be a leader in the Android smartphone market, offering a wide range of devices to suit different needs and budgets. But with so many options, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Here's a breakdown of the top 3 Samsung smartphones in 2024 to help you decide. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The S24 Ultra is a powerhouse for productivity and entertainment. It boasts a monstrous 200 megapixels camera with a mind-blowing 100x zoom, letting you capture stunning detail from afar. The long-lasting battery keeps you going all day, and the integrated S Pen makes note-taking and creative tasks a breeze. My experience: I've been using the S24 Ultra for a while now, and it's seriously impressive. The camera captures incredible photos and videos, even in low-light conditions. The zoom capability is insane. You can see things you never thought possible on a phone. The S Pen is super responsive and feels great in hand, making it perfect for artists and anyone who loves to jot down ideas. Should you buy it? If you're a camera enthusiast, a creative professional, or someone who demands the absolute best from their phone, the S24 Ultra is a fantastic choice. However, it's also the priciest option on this list. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The S23 Ultra remains a top contender. It packs a powerful punch with a 200 megapixels camera, same as the S24 Ultra, incredible night mode capabilities, and a long-lasting battery. It also comes with the S Pen, making it a productivity powerhouse. My experience: the S23 Ultra is a fantastic phone. The camera system takes breathtaking pictures, and the S Pen integration makes it incredibly versatile. If you can find a good deal on the S23 Ultra, it's a steal. Should you buy it? Absolutely. Especially if you find a good discount. The S23 Ultra offers almost everything the S24 Ultra does at a potentially lower price point. Gamers and heavy users might benefit from the S24's processing upgrades, but for most users, the S23 Ultra is a fantastic option. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The king of foldables is back. The Z Fold 5 unfolds to reveal a massive 7.6-inch screen, perfect for streaming, gaming, and multitasking. The unique design lets you use 2 apps simultaneously or control everything with one hand when folded. It's a true productivity and entertainment game changer. My experience: the Z Fold 5 is unlike any phone I've ever used. The unfolding screen feels like a mini tablet, and it's fantastic for watching videos or getting lost in a game. The multitasking capabilities are amazing, and the phone feels surprisingly durable when folded. Should you buy it? The Z Fold 5 is a revolutionary device, but it's also the most expensive on this list. If you're looking for a cutting-edge phone that pushes the boundaries of technology and offers a unique user experience, the Z Fold 5 is unlike anything else on the market. However, if you're on a tight budget or prefer a traditional phone form factor, this might not be the best fit.